What's going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Air Jordan 1 High OG Bloodline. Alright? Let's take a look at these sneakers. Let's not waste any time. Let's see what it looks like. If you don't have one of these sneakers already, understand that these sneakers come in a black box with a red Nike sign, alright? Classic. Wow. Wow. Take a look at this baby right here. Alright? Boom. 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 Give you a 360 of that sneakers, alright? Let's see, let you see the bottom. Let you see the top, alright? And that's just one foot. We'll let you see the other foot, right? Bang. 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 Bang, alright? Red bottom shoes, alright? It's a red bottoms. Red bottom shoes, right? Now these sneakers were released November 29, 2019, all right? They go for the price between $140 and $160. That's the retail price, all right? If you get it for anything less than that, good for you, but I hope it ain't fake, all right? Now let's check these sneakers out, right? I'm loving the black color, and the red color and the white color, you know what I'm saying? Different color for these joints, man. Also, this full grain leather feels so good. Put your hand on this leather. It feels like rich leather. You understand what I'm saying? I love the Nike sign right there. Classic Air 1s, Air Jordan 1 High Retro OG Bloodline. Okay? These sneakers come with red laces, as you can see. They come with red laces, alright? Also, the left foot comes with a white lace and a black lace, alright? And there's a quote inside of the sneaker, alright? Where your heels are, the back of your heels. It says, "Who said that man was not meant to fly?" All right, this particular quote was also written on the black laces. I give these sneakers a 10 out of 10. All right, basically because the colors are so dope. All right, got rich full grain leather. All right, I'm loving the leather, and also I love the fact that it comes with 2 different laces, 3 different laces. All right, it comes with red, it comes with black, and it also comes with white. You know what I'm saying? You will never get bored dressing with these sneakers. You will never get bored wearing clothes with these sneakers. You can always switch it up, mismatch, have different outfits on because the laces got so many colors. You understand what I'm saying? Number 4, bottom shoes, red bottom shoes. I just love that. I love that red bottom shoes right there. And that's it, guys. We've now come to the end of my video. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you're already subscribed to my channel, click that like button, share my video. And if you're new here and this is your first time watching the video, click that subscribe button. Thank you very much for everybody for watching my video. Until next time, I'll holler at you guys later. One easy.